steering inputs are needed, we'd happily tow long distances with the Jeep. The Jeep wasn't quite so composed in our lane change test though, with some pushing and shoving from the caravan. However, we've no complaints about the Grand Cherokee's brakes, which took just 10 meters to stop car and caravan from 30 miles per hour. That's one of the shortest stopping distances we've recorded for some time. As well as towing well on tarmac, the Jeep should easily pull away from a muddy pitch, thanks to its low ratio gearbox, the select terrain system, and its full-time four-wheel drive.